Hello friends and potential friends. Jack here from the Geeky Gardens. Once again on the wrong side of the camera. This is kind of a quick shout out to someone who's become kind of a good friend of mine over the last few months. She found my channel several months ago and left some comments. I went out and checked her channel out and I was thoroughly impressed. The channel I'm talking about is actually, the friend that I'm talking about is Sandi. Her channel name is Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming, and this lady is just a wealth of knowledge. She's a master gardener. She's a poet. She keeps bees. I believe she's got a few small animals, and she loves sharing her knowledge with everybody else out there. I've been going back and binging on a lot of her gardening channel videos because her knowledge spreads across the whole country. She's got lots of tips. She encourages people. She's active in community gardening. She's basically just an all-around good person. Like I said, she found my channel a few months ago, and I sent her a few seeds for my ponderosa lemon tree. I can't wait to see what they do for her up there where she's at. I believe she already has some citrus growing in her garden or in her greenhouse. I think she's going to do well with those seeds. She extracted some honey from one of her beehives, and she sent me a jar of her honey. Isn't that beautiful? Light, thick, and I must say, extremely sweet. I've never seen honey that light before. As you can see from my other samples here, most of the honey here in Florida tends to be darker, regardless of what time of year it is that it's harvested. Bee honey over here, this is kind of my staple. I buy that at Sam's. I gave up sugar, 10, 15 years ago, so I tend to use honey for most of my sweetening needs. The only time I use sugar is if I'm baking or making jelly and jams and things like that. But this is my go-to. Here where I live, I don't have any bees, so I have to go buy my honey at the grocery stores. Once in a while, I'll go over and pick up a jar of orange blossom honey from the local Ace Hardware. That one is by far my favorite, but I'm developing a new favorite, although I'm going to be babying this because it's going to be real special. As soon as I got it, I had to open it up and taste it, and quite honestly, that honey rivals the orange blossom. I grew up on orange blossom, but Sandi's honey is right up there with it, and that's going to have a special place in my cupboard. So anyway, I urge you to go check out Sandi's channel, Suburban Homesteader, Wyoming. If you're into gardening, by all means go back and look at some of her gardening videos. They really apply regardless of where you're at. Whether you're on multiple acres or living in an apartment, she's just a wealth of knowledge. And while you're out there, make sure you check out her month of poems that she did in February. Every day she posted a short video where she was reading a poem which she wrote, backed by beautiful pictures, and it was really a nice experience. I looked forward to seeing those every day, and I hope she'll be doing that again at some point. But she knows what she's talking about. She likes to share her information, and her information is spot on. So go check her out, Suburban Homesteading, Wyoming. And if you want to, you can say that Jack sent you. But most important is that you get to know Sandi. I think you'll enjoy visiting with her. And I'll see you on the next one.